Hello there, beautiful people. It's your boy Investor Blak, and I welcome you back to my channel. Have you ever heard some affiliate marketers say they make anything from $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, or even $50,000 every single month? And you ask yourself, wait though, is it the same affiliate marketing that I've been practicing for 3 years? How do they do it? Well, the answer is simple: recurring commissions. Recurring commission is one of the easiest way to guarantee that you make more money every single month, just as you make more sales every single month. Let's say for example you make just one sale and that sale gives you a recurring commission of $100. What this implies is that every single month, whether you make another sale or not, you're going to be making $100. And if you make another sale, you're going to be making $200 every single month. And if you make yet another sale, you're going to be making $300 every single month. So the more sales you make, the more money you're going to be making at the end of the month. So over time, as an affiliate marketer, you can now confidently beat your chest and say you make over $10,000 every single month. Trust me, it takes time, it takes patience, but once you get there, you're there, and you can only be going higher and higher as an affiliate marketer. In this video, I'm going to be sharing my top 5 affiliate marketing program that gives recurring commissions in 2022, and this program does not require any approval. What this implies is that if you're just a beginner, you can also jump on these affiliate programs. And don't worry, as a beginner, I'm going to show you before the end of this video simple methods that you can use to promote these top 5 affiliate marketing programs. So the first affiliate program on my list is GetResponse. GetResponse is an all-in-one email marketing and automation tool with a complete set of features needed to carry out successful follow-up series, as well as building a high conversion sales funnel. For example, if I should go over to this product section right here, you can see from the drop down a lot of tools that is very relevant for any business that is trying to actually do more customer relationship management. Okay, they have their landing page builders, they have their pop-up forms, website builders, conversion funnels, webinars, and stuff like that. And that is what makes GetResponse a very easy product to promote as an affiliate marketer. And as I promised, before the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can be promoting these softwares. To join the affiliate program, all you have to do is scroll down to the bottom of this page. So if I should just scroll down right now, if I go down all the way to the bottom and I look for where it says affiliate programs, as you can see right here, so I'm going to just click on it just to show you the affiliate program and where the recurring commission is. So I'm going to scroll down. As you can see, they have 2 programs to choose from. The first one is the affiliate recurring program, and the second one is the affiliate bounty program. Okay, the affiliate recurring program is the one that will give you 33% recurring commission every single month, while this one will give you 100% per sale. Okay, so any customer you refer and they sign up and they buy any product from them, you're gonna be making $100. So this 33% is the 33% of whatever they pay for. So I'm gonna whatever they are paying per month. Okay, so that takes us back to their pricing. So I'm going to just open this pricing in a new tab real quick, just to show you, give you an example or give you an idea of what you're going to be making per month. So 33% of this. Okay, so if they are paying $15 per month, you're going to be making 33% per month. If they are paying for 100, let's say 10,000 contacts, $64, so 33% of $64. If they are paying for 100,000 contacts, they are going to be paying 33%. You are going to be paid 33% of $441. So just imagine a very big company just comes and gets this, and you are paying 33%. So if I should do 33% of this, so I'll do 33 divided by 100 times the amount right here. So I'm going to just show you 441.98. So I'm going to 441.98. So that's about $145 every single month. So with this, you can make over $145 every single month, and that is why it's good to actually go for the recurring commission instead of this one, because this one is just $100, but the other one you can even make more than that $100 every single month, depending on who your audience is. And I'm going to show you how to target people that have the money to actually promote, to actually pay for the highest possible offers on this product if you stick around till the end of this video. Yeah, so the second affiliate program on my list is Fiverr affiliate program. Fiverr is a freelancing website where a lot of people come to make money online, and a lot of people come here to actually get jobs done. The good thing about Fiverr affiliate program is that they will pay you whether you are referring a freelancer or you're referring a buyer. These are the different type of affiliate links that you can promote on Fiverr, as you can see below. The first one is Fiverr Cpa. Fiverr Cpa will give you 15 to 150 for every new buyer. Fiverr Hybrid will give you 10% plus 10% revenue share for 12 months. Okay, as you can see. So whether the person is a buyer or the person is an affiliate, you are going to be making money either ways. And the most important one, the one that is actually giving me joy, is this last one at the bottom that says Fiverr sub affiliate. So if you refer an affiliate marketer that is doing really good, you're going to be making 10% of their monthly commission. And this is where the money is, because there are some Fiverr affiliates, there are some Fiverr freelancers that make nothing less than $500 every single month. And imagine making $50 off each of your referrals. The third one on my list is the Active Campaign affiliate program. Active Campaign, just like Get Response, is an email marketing tool, and they will give you about 30% recurring commission for every sale you make. So it means that every single month you're going to be making 30% of whatever the person is paying for his renewal. The average person pays about $29 per month on Active Campaign, as you can see right here. Then the other plans are $49 and $149 per month. So you're going to be making 33% or 30% of each of these, depending on what the person goes for. The next program on my list is ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is an automation to use to build funnels. Okay, it's just like Get Response, but it is specifically built for making professional looking sales funnels that is built to convert. ClickFunnels will pay you a whopping 40% monthly recurring commission for every sale you make. It means that for life, everybody that buys from you, you're going to be making 40% recurring commission. In addition to those 40% on those front end, you also receive 100% commission for sales of one funnel away for 30 days. Okay, so ClickFunnels is also one of my favorite when it comes to building funnels. I actually know about ClickFunnels. I've been using ClickFunnels for about 3 years now, so I can tell you that ClickFunnels is a very good software, and you won't have any issues promoting this to anybody that is serious about affiliate marketing, or anybody that is into digital marketing in general. The next tool on my list is TubeBuddy, and this is like the final tool. TubeBuddy is a tool that helps you to optimize your YouTube videos to rank on YouTube. So if you're a YouTuber and you don't make use of TubeBuddy, then I don't know what you're doing, because the other YouTubers that are making this will have an edge above you, because they will know exactly what keywords to rank for, and they will know exactly how their videos are performing. They will also get some kind of insights that will give them an edge above other YouTubers. In the TubeBuddy affiliate program, you can earn up to 30% recurring commission from each sale you make, and that is something that you're gonna actually benefit a lot from, because TubeBuddy is very popular, and a lot of people, a lot of YouTubers, a lot of content creators are starting to understand that the market is getting a little bit more competitive, and they need to use tools like TubeBuddy to actually match up with their competitors. So it won't be very difficult for you to promote TubeBuddy to anybody that is serious about his content creating business. Okay, so like I promised, if you stick to the end of this video, I was going to show you how you can promote this recurring commission products. I'm going to be showing you 4 very effective ways that you can use to promote this product, and these ways are ways that I use personally myself. For the purpose of not making this video too long, I'm not going to go too deep into this kind of method. I'm just going to explain them. But if you want more detailed videos on how to do each and every of this method, then hit the subscribe button, because I'm going to be making videos subsequently showing you in detail, step by step, how to promote each and every product that I've just mentioned in this video. So the first thing you need to do is to promote it using Google Ads. Okay, so Google Ads is one of the easiest way. If you have money to spend, it is one of the fastest way to see results. Since these are recurring commission, it means that if you happen to land one sale, you've made a sale for life, and that person is going to be generating commission for you subsequently. So over and over again, every single month, you're going to be making enough money to keep running ads to get even more recurring commission. Okay, so it's just like a cycle. Okay, so the first ad you're going to run will be out of your pocket. Okay, but the subsequent ads you're going to be running will be from your recurring commission, and the more ads you run, the more sales you are going to make, and the more recurring commission you're going to make. So it's like you're rotating money, but the money will keep growing and growing and growing. It's one of the easiest way people are making money. I personally do this myself, and if you want to know how to run Google Ads, I'm going to be making another video about how to run laser targeted Google Ads to promote your recurring commission offers. That way, once you make sales, your monthly commission is going to be increasing every single month, and you're going to be using the money from your monthly commission to run even more ads to make even more sales, and you're going to be growing from making maybe $100 or $200 every single month to making up to $10,000 every single month. And you can do this within a space of 6 months if you're using this particular first method, which is called Google Ads, because it is very, very fast. You will start seeing results as soon as the next day if you know what you're doing. If you use the right targeting strategy, you are going to start seeing results as soon as the next day. The next method that you can use to promote this type of offers is the review method. Okay, you are going to make a review video of the product, because anybody that is willing to buy a product, the first thing they're going to start searching for are reviews. Okay, now once you make a very good review video that answers all the questions that they may have, and they are convinced that that product is the product that they're actually looking for, they will not have any problem clicking on your affiliate link in the description of your video to the product. Okay, another trick I use is to tell them to get to know the current price, or to tell them to use my link to get a discount, right? So if they use your link, obviously they're going to get a discount because you're an affiliate, right? So that is another trick you can use, and this method is very, very effective. It's my second most recommended method. I personally do this myself. The next method is to make comparison videos. Okay, now you are going to look for two very, very popular products, and one of them or two of them are going to be your affiliate product. Okay, so whether they choose one or they choose the other, you're going to be making commission. All you want to do is make a very, very good and very, very explanatory comparison video between those two products, and at the end of the day, these people are going to be able to choose one, and whichever one they pick, you're going to be making money out of it. And finally, the last method is to make a video tutorial on how to use the product. For example, you can make a video tutorial on how to use GetResponse to create an automation, an email automation, or to create a sales funnel. And if you can do a very, very good video, someone that is searching for how to create a sales funnel is going to see your video, and because you used GetResponse to make your sales funnel, they are going to actually want to use GetResponse because you explained how to do it, and GetResponse, and you did it you did the explanation so well that they wouldn't want to go and use a strange software that they don't know how to use. Based on your explanation, they're going to go ahead, click on your link, and register for GetResponse, and you're going to be making commission. These are the 4 ways to go about this. I know I didn't go in details because I don't want the video to be very long, but trust me, I'm going to be making detailed videos around this video that I just made. And all you have to do right now is give this video a like if this video has been helpful, if it has given you value to an extent. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon that says all, so that you don't miss out on the videos that I just said about I'm going to make around this topic. Having said that, guys, I hope this video has been helpful. Have a nice day, and I love you guys so much.